Aarti Sarvasv. Today I will make very beautiful scenery using clays and molds. This plastic sheet and this A4 sheet paper are base for my scenery. Let's get started. Mother fish, father fish, and two little babies. Mother duck with her two little babies. This is group of birds. This is a smiley sun. This is a fly extracting nectar from flower. Nectar is a sweet liquid in flowers which butterfly eat. And bees make honey using nectar. Do you know the group of birds is called flock and the group of ducks is called raft and the group of fishes is called school. Subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.